If you want video zoom in and zoom out like this, you can do it using Filmora or any other tool. So let's see how we can do it using Filmora. Select one existing video from library. I bring it this model, bring this one to timeline, then see how the model looks like. It is walking model. Let's see, we can freeze at point 4. You can see here it is 4. Let's split from here up to 6. I want to zoom in and zoom out. 6 seconds. I'm going to split it again. The next thing what you can do, select the splitted part of the video and select the crop, and then you can see there is an option called pan and zoom. Select that. Then here the default things are also available, like zoom in or zoom out or left to right zoom or right to left zoom, like this. So even if you don't know, you can see the start screen is the bigger one, the end screen is the smaller one. That means this particular window will be the end screen and the big one is the start screen. What does that mean? If I want to end this model or this screen from here, starting from somewhere else, for example, when this video will come in this part, what will happen? The screen will start from this small part, then it will be ended in this big screen. So let's see how it is happening in action. I'm playing from here. Alright, so from here you can see from the corner this video is coming, like zooming in up to here where I set. The same way you can zoom out, probably this one you can make it whole screen, and the smaller one you can make like this. What does that mean? It will start from the big screen and it will end off with the small one. So in this case I will keep this model head only like this. So what will happen? It will actually start from this big and it will end from here. Or else, just for demonstration purpose, what I can do, I can small the screen and end off. I will make this screen like something like this so that you can see the difference. Let's see in the action. You understand, right? How it is happening? Like this way, you can able to manage zoom in, zoom out. Hope this video is useful for you and you guys can learn like how it will be zoom in and zoom out. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe so that I'll bring some interesting video in the future. Thank you very much. Bye bye.